2026 BYD M6 has finally been revealed, and honestly, nobody expected an MPV in this segment to look this premium. Hello and welcome to the Upcoming Cars channel, your home for the latest car news, first impressions, and deep dive reviews delivered in the most relaxing way possible. Today, we're taking a full look at the all-new BYD M6, an MPV that might just shake the family car market with its design, technology, and surprisingly capable powertrain. Let's jump right in. From the very first glance, the front fascia of the 2026 BYD M6 tells you this is not your typical MPV. BYD gives it a sleek, almost futuristic identity with slim LED daytime running lights stretched across a clean upper panel, creating a sharp pan-modern expression. Lower down, the main headlights sit in a sculpted housing that blends neatly into a bold, wide lower grille, giving the M6 a planted and confident presence. The bumper design is smooth yet muscular, with subtle airflow channels that make the vehicle look more dynamic than an MPV usually does. Move around to the side profile and the shape becomes even more impressive. The beltline rises gently toward the rear, giving it a streamlined silhouette, while the floating roof design adds a premium and stylish touch. The long sliding door area is integrated so smoothly into the body that you almost forget this vehicle is built for pure family functionality. Around the back, BYD adds a full-width LED light bar that stretches from edge to edge, creating a clean and unified look. The lower bumper carries a chunky, SUV-like feel, making the M6 appear robust instead of boxy. Step inside, and this is where the BYD M6 really shows its strength. The cabin feels more like a modern lounge than a traditional MPV. Soft touch materials cover most surfaces, and the wide horizontal layout gives the interior an open and airy feel. The large central touchscreen, featuring BYD's signature rotating display, sits proudly in the center of the dashboard, handling navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings in sharp, clear resolution. The digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel provides all essential driving information in a clean, easy-to-read format without any distraction. The seating arrangement is one of its biggest highlights. The second row features plush captain seats with armrests, reclining functions, and generous legroom that will be perfect for long journeys. The flat floor design improves overall space and comfort, and the third row is actually usable for adults, not just for children. Storage solutions are everywhere, including large door pockets, a deep center console, hidden underfloor compartments, and smart spaces designed for everyday family use. On top of that, the M6 comes packed with modern features such as a panoramic sunroof that opens up the entire cabin, ambient lighting, multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and BYD's full suite of intelligent safety and driver assistance systems. Everything inside is focused on making daily driving and long trips easier, safer, and more enjoyable for families. Now let's talk about what powers the 2026 BYD M6. BYD is expected to offer it with their efficient DMI hybrid system, combining a 1.5-liter engine with an electric motor. This setup delivers excellent fuel economy, smooth low-speed driving in electric mode, and enough combined power to make this large MPV feel responsive on city roads and highways. Some markets may also receive a fully electric version powered by BYD's famous Blade battery technology, known for its safety, durability, and long life cycle. Whether in hybrid or fully form, the focus of the M6 is clearly on comfort, quiet performance, refined acceleration, and effortless cruising even when the vehicle is fully loaded with passengers and luggage. The suspension has been tuned for a soft, comfortable, family-friendly ride, while still maintaining stability and confidence at higher speeds. For an MPV, this balance of efficiency, comfort, and control is exactly what modern families are looking for. So, is the 2026 BYD M6 the MPV nobody expected to be this good? Absolutely. It delivers a premium exterior design, a luxurious and spacious interior, smart family-focused features, and a modern powertrain that fits perfectly into today's fuel-saving and eco-friendly lifestyle. It doesn't try to be overly flashy. Instead, it quietly over-delivers in almost every important area. If BYD prices it competitively, the M6 could easily become one of the most attractive MPVs on the market. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this first look at the 2026 BYD M6, don't forget to drop a comment, share your thoughts, and subscribe to the Upcoming Cars channel so you never miss future reviews, comparisons, and updates. See you in the next video.